Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 17th to the 23rd. We have a lot of very good deals in this flyer, and I'm really looking forward to, with the boosters, what we can find. Treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 17th. We're looking at deals, but we might be off by a couple dollars and cents. This is a preview video. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Completely free to do, and it would really help me out. So the first thing I want to talk about is this guy, in theory, should still be valid on Sunday the 17th, which is 40% back when you spent $1 plus. I bought $40 of merchandise and got $16 back. So if you haven't partaked in the 40 or 43% back, make a deal happen. I got this for I think a $7 moneymaker, this basket here on the right. Only valid till Saturday the 16th, but you might want to check out this video. I'll link it at the end. We got these two boosters. The first one you can use in-store or online, 5 back when you spend 20. The second one is for website only, 5 back when you spend 25 or 20 back when you spend 60. They're both of a one-time use, and if you want to see if they're both stackable, throw $25 into a basket, and if you're getting 10 back, you know what's up, but we're not going to be able to figure this out till Sunday. For the balance, use your debit card because these are spend boosters. And one is in store and the other one is online only. Will the two stack, yes or no? That's a Sunday morning question. First deal that we're going to look at is with the TRESEMME, that we're going to be looking for the $6 shampoos. We're going to have a 5 off 2 digital, $5 reward when you buy 2 of these. So I think you can see where this is going. So grabbing 2 of them in a basket, that's going to be $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. This is a deal I think everybody should be doing. Looking for the Crest or Oral-B products at $3 a pop. We're going to have a 6 off 4 digital plus $6 register reward when you buy 4. So grabbing 4, I'm probably assuming the Crest will be $3 or the cheapest Oral-B toothbrush. Grabbing 4 of them for $12, subtracting that digital coupon that's loadable on Sunday morning, you'll pay $6, get back a $6 register reward, making this free. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can in fact use your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but how great is this deal? Now, for all the parents out there, we haven't had a diaper deal in a long time, but just looking at this one, 2 for $21. It's the same price for either this or the Pampers or the Huggies, so you pick. Grabbing 3 of these, the third one will bring up 50% of sales price. It's $31.50. Subtracting that Chintzy digital coupon, you'll pay $28.50 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $23.50 for the 3 bags, or like $8 per bag. If you're throwing this in with a booster, that's the only way I would fathom this deal, or even if you could, make a booster deal happen. It's just so expensive and there's not a lot of deals for diapers. This deal is back, and I always love when it's back. 4 for $9 for the Bounce Downy Tide Simply Laundry Care, which includes the liquid and the pods. So grabbing 4 of them, you can mix and match or just grab one specific item, like a quantity of 4 for $9. I would throw in $1 worth of candy. Total is $10. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, and we're doing this with no booster, just a smart little deal. With this deal, if there might be some sort of IBOTTA rebate or something back, I can fathom it, but it just seems like a lot of money for this Dove lotion. But 2 of them is $14. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $12. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per lotion. Doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. But will we have some sort of a rebate to go with this? That's what we're going to have to check. My absolute favorite deal is back, which is the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. $1 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $2.48. You're going to get back that $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash. You're doing this with no booster, and 1 register reward will print per transaction. Thus, if you wanted to do this deal twice, you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions to get those register rewards to print twice successfully for you. Another dish soap deal is the Gain for $1.99, $1 reward when you buy two. Grabbing two of these, it's $3.98. Get back that dollar register reward, making it $2.98 for the two or $1.49 per Gain dish soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is the lotion. Spend 20, get back 10. Lots of this is on clearance. Make a deal happen if you have the right clearance in your store. Fruity Pebbles for $2.99 and Pepsi 3 for $15.99. This is also interesting. Buy one, get two for free on the complete home bags. I think selling them at $1.99, people are still not buying them. This potentially could be a great deal. And this is a monthly promotion, $1.99 for the toilet paper, complete home, other goods. So we'll have to load up on those if you need them. We also have the $1.99 for both the Snickers and the Reese's. So that's a very good price point. And the final thing, $3 online coupon for the Downy Light. What other P&G digitals will we be getting on Sunday? That's the question. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.